Guys, welcome to today's video in which I'll be showing you guys how I make coconut oil. I know most of you would have anticipated this video, as you know that this is a collaboration between 4 YouTubers, Lily Talks, Candace Corner, I Am Lee, and myself, Mama Mika, where we wanted to show you guys where you could use one ingredient and create 4 recipes, and that is coconut. We'll be doing coconut oil, coconut flour, coconut butter, and coconut milk, but I'm fast with making coconut oil. And in this video, I'll show you all how to make both types of coconut oil, virgin coconut oil and coconut oil on the stove. So let's get started. To begin, I'll start with 4 coconuts which I have shredded on the grater. Next, I am going to put it into my blender. Shredding it before makes it easier for the blender to do what it has to do. Adding some water to it and allowing it to blend. After this first part is completed, I'm straining it into a container, separating the husks from the juice. No, I'm not going to add additional water to the other batch. Instead, I'm going to use back the same water and blend out the coconut, and I'll keep repeating it until this process is finished. I want you to take note of how thick and rich this coconut milk is. It's already like an oil because of what I did. I did not put excessive water, but I used its own juices to keep blending it in. Remember, do not discard of the husks. Later on, you will head over to I Am Lee and she will show you how to make flour from this husks. When I've finished this process and I've separated the juice completely from the husks, I'm going to set the juice aside in a clear container and leave it overnight. During this time, the water, the oil, and the curd is going to separate. I don't know if I mentioned before, I will be teaching you all how to do it 2 ways. Extra virgin oil and normal coconut oil. Now this is what it looks like after being set aside overnight. You can see the difference, the water, the curd, and the oil forming right below there. What we are going to do next is we are going to scrape out the top part of it. We're going to put it in a pan. And then we're going to extract the extra virgin oil, which is the second layer below. Now that that is completed, what I'm going to do is take the curd from on top and we're going to fry it up in a pan under low heat. This aroma is so good, but please be careful when you're doing this. For some reason, my camera did not show you when I began doing this process, but please be careful. So at this point, I'm ready to remove it off of the stove and strain it into a container. In this container, we have the oil that was done on the stove and it smells really good. In the other container, we have the extra virgin or the cold press coconut oil. I wanted you all to get a side view to see how much oil that we got using 3 coconuts. And yes, I was a bit clumsy, so I lost some of the oil, some of it fell down, so there have actually been a little more. I hope you all can see clearly in this colored bowl, but that's the one we did on the stove. There's an obvious difference to the both oil. The extra virgin is a bit clear. It's clear in fact, and the other one that was roasted on the stove of a brownish color from being roasted. But guys, the smell is really pungent. It's strong. Now, this extra virgin oil can be used on the skin as well. They normally use this oil on baby's skin when they are born. They normally put it on the mole of the head and they use it on the skin if there is any rash or anything like that, and it heals it. So even as an adult, you can use this on your skin. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up because it helps the algorithm push out my content. And if you have not yet subscribed, remember to subscribe. And remember, this is a collaboration video, so go check out the other YouTubers, Kenda Corner, Lily Talks, and I am Lee, so that you can see how to make coconut butter, coconut flour, and coconut milk. So until we see again, God bless you. I love you. Take care. Bye.